Hello? Hello?
Hi, my name is Estrella. It means star in Spanish, and welcome to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by AliExpress. Just kidding, but it might as well be because a shirt I technically got from there sparked this idea. I know not everyone can afford the things from Depop because now they're getting more and more expensive. So this video is not to brag at all, which is also why I'm talking about the gentrification of Depop. Gentrification is usually associated with poor areas being urbanized, with wealthy people moving in. And another definition of gentrification is making someone or something more respectable and all that. So how this applies to Depop is that these thrifted clothing that normally wouldn't be as desirable are seen as a certain aesthetic, and so people are buying it from Depop and people are selling it for a really high price by marketing it as Y2K, grunge, alternative, indie, just putting all these tags in the description. Literally so many tags. And the problem with this is that Depop started off as a platform for people like me and you to just sell clothes from our wardrobe that we no longer use because we're young and we want to save up some money. So if we're not wearing something, we might as well give it to someone who would use it. Because what's the quote? One man's garbage is someone else's treasure. Something like that. So that was the basis of how Depop started. Since quarantine happened, people have been buying bulk from thrift stores and then selling these clothes on Depop for a way higher price. These can even be children clothes. They can also be selling essentials that low-income families need. So it's really problematic. These pieces are no longer accessible to low-income families who usually go to thrift stores. And yes, some of these pieces, they do end up in landfills. But one thing is that these Depop sellers are getting all the cute clothes. And so people who are low income who can only depend on thrift stores can no longer get cute clothes, which it's kind of unfair. Another thing is that some people will argue that people who sell on Depop, they have to market, write a description, take nice pictures. It's kind of a small business. So some people will argue that you're also paying for the admin cost, the time they spend sifting through bins and stuff like that, but still doesn't justify a $400 piece that you call vintage or aesthetic. Who can even afford that? Depop used to be for everyone. And then you also have the second type of sellers who are drop shipping. They usually get stuff from AliExpress or something and they just drop their stuff on Depop. This I get even more frustrated because first of all, I'm a victim to this phenomenon. I wasn't really aware of it before I got that piece that I'm about to show you. And second is that if you're ethical with your business practice, you should tell people that it's from AliExpress. That's just my opinion. Even on Depop, in their policies, they tell you not to dropship. So it's completely against what the app is about, but people still do it. And Depop just doesn't do enough to stop it. Yeah, these people, they buy it in bulk for really low prices. They sell it for 10 times the cost, and it's just insane. I get really frustrated with this because people like me who are trying to buy more sustainably, I feel like I'm being manipulated because when I go on Depop, I just assume that it's thrifted or someone reworked it or made it. So I don't really question where it comes from. But now when you shop on Depop, you have to be a lot more careful if you are trying to buy more sustainably. Depop is becoming harder to do that on. I can see that this isn't a black or white situation. Since COVID happened, people obviously have to make income. Some of these sellers might actually be low-income people who need some money. Therefore, they're drop shipping, or some of them are also the ones buying bulk from thrift stores, like people who lost their jobs. I can understand that. I just wish that if I want to buy more sustainably, it would be easier and more affordable, but currently that's still not the case. But with that said, here's a haul. Okay, no, first disclaimer, I got these items from like individual people. These are mainly accessories that people made. The only piece that I really regret and spend way too much money on is this piece I'm about to show you. I have no words. These look like tattoos, apparently. Horrendous. When they say sheer, it's really sheer. So you can see the back. It's just not practical at all. I haven't actually found a proper picture from AliExpress yet, but the quality is so bad. Plus she sells a bunch of these similar pieces that I can find on AliExpress, so that's how I know. That's that. We don't talk about it anymore. And then I got two plushies. I got this. It's so cute. It's my Melody with her macaroon. I think this is some special edition stuff. Pure Herm. I don't know how to say it, but it matches my pajama thing. Yeah, it looks like a strawberry. I'll put where I got these things over here. And then I got this choker. Looks like this. Got it because it's super colorful and it honestly looks good. Oh, I keep burping. But it honestly looks good with so many outfits and tops, and it just looks great. Often people ask me if I made this, but no, I did not, which I feel like a disappointment. In the same shop, I got these two bracelets. They also have stars on them. That's like the meaning of my name, hence my obsession with like star stuff. They're beaded. Also didn't make them. Disappointing, I know. And it came with these stickers, which are so cute. And then this one, it's a Hello Kitty necklace. So, looks like this. You can actually see Hello Kitty stuff inside. It's an actual toy, which I didn't know because it wasn't in the description. So this was a pleasant surprise. 10 out of 10. And then this one I just got today. I was so excited because I was like, yes, finally the last thing came in. I can finally film this video. I got more bracelets. So the first one is a Melody inspired one. It says Melody on it. And it's also beaded. And then she gave me a lot of stickers again. I got a bundle of bracelets. Whoops. And you guessed it, it's 𝖘𝖔𝖈𝖎 inspired. It's a huge bundle. Looks like this. There's a 𝖘𝖔𝖈𝖎 here. I feel like with these bracelets, I'm either the coolest girl in kindergarten or I'm the one who gets bullied. And then the last one is 𝖘𝖔𝖈𝖎. She's so soft. That's in pretty good condition. Kind of wonky, not gonna lie. There is hot glue to be found. Yikes. I paid way too much for these plushies, but they are cute and I sleep with them. So I guess it's worth it. We got the whole fam here. Woo. This is what I do when my therapist tells me to find my inner child. Me. That's it. That's the end of the haul. I know it's pretty short, but I spent a good ton of money on this. Was it worth it? Kind of. Definitely not this though. We can throw it away. Makes me so mad that I actually spent money on this. My advice to you to make sure your money is well spent when you're shopping on Depop. One is to not shop at 3 a.m. in the morning like I did. That was so stupid. Obviously, I didn't make the best judgment call. Second is to buy from influencers / content creators that you know are decent people and have a good sense of style. And here's my time to shine because I'm clearing out my wardrobe and I am in fact selling some clothes. These are just some thrifted finds that I got over the years and some used pieces as well. I'm gonna make sure to obviously not price it higher than I got it for. yeah, but if you want to support me and you like any of these pieces, go check them out. Let me know what videos you want me to make. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you later. Bye. Check out my other videos and subscribe. But I mean, only if you want to, because